Welcome back to my channel. For those viewing this channel for the first time, my name is Mercy Energyco, and today I have something I'd like to unbox with you guys. So let's go. I got this from Coils and Tresses. So I saw this vendor on Instagram and I decided to check her page to see what she has and what she sells. Man, she sells really amazing stuff. So let's dig in and find out what's actually in the bag. So yeah, hairband. This is for everyone out there who likes to use rubber band to pack their hair, like me. So I realized that packing my hair with rubber band shreds my hair. It just has a way of pulling hair from your head. And when I used this, it just didn't pull anything, but it just came out seamlessly. Like when I was pulling out my hair, it came out like really smooth and no hair came out of it. So I feel this is the right product for us to use to pack our hair and stop shredding your hair yourself. That's one. And two, we have this. Yes, I think, okay, this is for your edges, to lay your edges. I think this for the lining of the edges too, and this is for parting your hair. And this is the word I really like so much. Yeah, I remember using this kind of comb when I was little, and I misplaced it actually. So when I saw it online, I was like, I need to get it. This is really nice and cute. The packaging is cool, really cool packaging, like portable and something you can carry around with you everywhere you go. And the final one in the bag is this. Let's see what's inside. This is cool, and this is really nice for natural hair. For those of us who find it really difficult to like comb the hair, this is a wide tooth comb that helps hair, just comb it smoothly, and you don't have to like struggle to comb your hair. And those sounds, I don't really like that sound, but this is really cool, and I'm pretty sure it helps comb the hair comfortably and really cool stuff. And it has this really good personal touch, like someone did this, and it's really nice. I like it. And this is the hairbrush. Bum 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 bum. See, can you hear that? Really cool stuff here. So I got all those products from Coils and Tresses. So you can just look them up on Instagram and order yours. This is really cool stuff, and I'm going to be using them for my hair. So I just upgraded my hair gear with Coil and Tresses. See ya in my next video. Abianto! Go get yourself something from Coils and Tresses. Bye!